So I found this great set at Walmart, and I think I can jazz it up a little bit with Mod Podge Fabric. So before you begin, wash and dry your outfit and press it with an iron, and then you're ready to start. So here's a great tip. Apply a thin coat of Mod Podge onto the back side of your fabric. Let that dry completely. This will give you clean edges when you're cutting out your design elements. Once that's dry, start cutting out all of your fabric elements, enough to cover your shirt and your shorts. Lay out each piece for perfect placement. Apply a thin coat of fabric Mod Podge to the back of your fabric pieces, and then just simply lay those down, press down, and make sure all your areas are attached. Here's another great tip. When you're working on fabric, insert some wax paper inside your garment. That way you'll make sure that nothing bleeds through. And then let everything dry completely. Now apply a thin top coat over your applique and a little bit over the edge onto your fabric. This is my favorite new look for summer.